Yo, what's up everyone? Welcome back. Patrick here. Moving on to the next question. We have to solve this system of equations here by elimination. So we got to figure out where do these two lines intersect. And since we're doing it by elimination, what we got to do is we have to either get rid of the y's or get rid of the x's. And in this case, notice that we're going to have to multiply both of the lines by something to get a lowest common multiple. So I'm going to get rid of the x's. So the lowest common multiple between 5 and 4 is 20. So what I got to do is multiply this whole line by 4, this whole line by 5 in order to get 20 for both of these. So over here, I'll have 20x minus 8y, right? Everything gets multiplied by 4, and then everything here is going to get multiplied by 5, so we'll have 20x plus 15y equals, what's this going to be, 130? And now notice we have the same values here, so we could subtract both lines. Notice that they have both the same sign, so we would subtract this whole line from this line, or we could subtract this line from this one, but since this one's already at the top, I feel like it's easier to subtract this one. It's just nicer to work with. Now, if these signs were different, then we would just add them to get rid of the x's. But since the signs are the same, we're subtracting. So 20x minus 20x gives us 0x, so those go away. Negative 8y minus positive 15y would give us negative 23y. And then negative 8 minus positive 130 would give us negative 138. And then over here, just divide both sides by not negative 23y, just negative 23. And then y would end up being what? Positive 6, like that. So y is equal to 6, and then to figure out the x value, we could plug in this y value of 6 either here or here. So let's plug it into the first one. So we'd have 5x minus 2 times 6 equals negative 2. So this would be 5x minus 12 equals negative 2. So 5x equals negative 2 plus 12 when we bring this over. 5x equals negative 2 plus 12 gives us positive 10. Divide both sides by 5. X is 2. So 2 and 6 are the final answer. And you could check this, right? You could plug in x value of 2. A y value of 6, we'd have 10 minus 12, which gives us negative 2. Left side equals right side. If we plug it in here, 4 times 2 is 8. 3 times 6 is 18. 8 plus 18 indeed gives us 26. So left side equals right side there too. So you can do a quick check just to be fairly confident with your answer. But that is the final answer. That's the point where these two lines are going to intersect.